Miles. Miles, look at Mama. Can you smile? Can you smile at Mama? Hi, baby. How about it? No? No smile? Oh, you're getting excited. Can you smile? What? Can you smile? Huh? Can you smile? What? There you go. There you go. Let's scoot your bottom up. Alright, now do your kicks. Can you run? I wonder if the noise on his belly will.
That's a full belly.
Okay, you ready? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Good boy. Close your eyes. Oh. Are you running? You gonna be a runner someday? No. Okay.
Not in your condition, you're not going to be a runner. Gotta lean up a little bit.
Lean schmeen. Fatties can run too. I wish you would smile. Miles, can you smile? Want a drink? You need a cough?
Mommy's choking me.
Why don't you sit up and show him how you have man boobs? Now lean over.
His belly's so
Boop, boop.
tight.
Can you stand up? Whoa!